Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited about today's video. I want to invite you guys to take the Etsy 30-day challenge that begins in a few days on September 30th. So if you want to learn how to get step-by-step coaching to help you create and launch your first or maybe your next Etsy store totally from scratch in 30 days, you need to watch this video all the way to the end. I'm also going to be providing a bonus from my end. So make sure that you guys stay tuned all the way to the end. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn how to grow and build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And if you're excited about taking an Etsy challenge that's going to help you build a profitable business, make sure that you comment below the word excited so I can know that you guys are excited to watch this video. So type that word below as well. So let's go ahead and dive into the Etsy 30-day challenge. So this is a challenge that's starting in a few days, like I mentioned. It's going to start on September 30th. And it's going to help you build your assistant store if you want to use the tips that you're learning, or start a whole new store from scratch. I highly recommend starting one from scratch so you could implement everything you're learning on your daily classes that you'll be using on this course. Now, with the Etsy challenge, you're going to get all these tips right here. You're going to get help with branding. So then they'll show you secret weapon to standing out and gaining new customers. They're going to help you with Etsy SEO, so how to write your Etsy tags, title, and descriptions to make sure that you're getting found by the right people, by the right customers, which is something that I always talk about, finding your target customer. You're going to get the complete guide to product listing, so exactly how quickly to build and scale out a new Etsy shop to quickly become profitable, which is pretty good. You're going to get the perfect product overview, so how to combine photos, descriptions, and title to blow away your competition. You're going to get Etsy copywriting, which is how to write copies that engage your customers, pull them into the page, and help sell your items. And you're going to get help with marketing strategy so you could really grow. Now, additional to all of this right here, you're going to get help from 4 experts, Matt, JD, and RJ, that are experts in the field of Etsy, e-commerce, and much more, and sales. And they are amazing. You could read this and it gives you a description of each individual and how much they have made, how many sales, and the experience that they have. And combined together for them, it's just an amazing challenge. In addition, you get bonuses. You get the Facebook group, to be part of the Facebook group. You get influencer outreach webinar. You get branding webinar, which is really important. I always talk about branding, theme fall mockups. So you get so much for this challenge. On top of the challenge, you're going to get 30 days of live training with questions and answers after every session. That just blows my mind. Just that right there is just incredible. And you get everything that you see on the screen. You get all the bonuses that you see, all for only $97. Now, my bonus will be if you use my affiliate link. I'm going to leave my link below this video in the comment section, as well as below the video on the text box description. If you use my link, you will also get my Mastering Pinterest course for free. So technically, you're getting 2 courses for only $97. You're going to get the Etsy challenge, and then you're going to get my Mastering Pinterest course. So you're getting both of them for only $97. So keep in mind that when you join, I'm using my link, I'm going to get an email notification of who joined. All I ask of you guys, I will leave the directions below. All I ask of you guys, when you join, just send me an email letting me know, hey, I joined, with your confirmation number. And then I will make sure that you did join. And then I will add you to the group for free to the actual Mastering Pinterest course. I will add you for free to the actual course. So I will leave the instructions below. But This is amazing. I think that for a lot of people that I talk to on a daily basis that need the coaching, but they don't necessarily have a lot of money to pay to have a coach, you're getting four for a very low reasonable price. You're getting four people that are going to be answering your questions every single live training. I mean, it can't get better than that. Plus additional everything else that you see on the screen. So if you're interested in joining today, make sure that you do so. The time is running out. It ends on September 30th because that's when it starts. So make sure that you join. Just do it right now. Don't think about it, especially if you know you have been struggling. Just go ahead and join it. And I will be waiting for your email, but just make sure that you join. And don't forget to comment below and let me know if you're excited, what you think about it, or any comments that you might have. Thank you guys for watching.